I got 10 economy bin bags. 10 economy bin bags. I got 10 economy bin bags. 10 economy bin bags. My one of the gripes I have in life is, come on Bentley, cheap bin liners. They do my head, they do my fucking, I hate them. They put anything in them, broken plate or something, or even a sharp cardboard box, and it'll pierce through it so easily. And they're just so annoying. You're telling me it's a joke shop, not the fucking supermarket. But people buy it. I believe you can't economise on your, you shouldn't economise on your bin bags. You have to get them green fucking, what they're called, green garden sacks. Yeah, look, this is a bit weird. You got like this bloke who's put these flags up, and down here you've got a Union Jack flying. It's since that Tommy Robinson thing, when, or whatever it is, the new patriotism, new Christian patriotism. I think, I don't know what they're fucking doing, but anyway, it's caught the imagination of a certain section of society who are looking back to a time that probably never existed. But what we've got here though is got the an oak beauty, which is the first really nice moth of the year. And I don't know if you follow me online around, but that's one of my main interests is a moth. My brother's a real expert. He's a proper doctor of biology, and he studies moths and supervises butterfly conservation for the north of England and the Midlands. So everything I know is learned off him really. But it's an amazing subject. I get loads of them that come on these doors and windows, because we're right next to the countryside. So, you know, they come from across the countryside to us, I guess, which is it's a good thing. Because I must have had nearly 70 different species so far, photographs on my walls and that. Where's the dog gone? I lost my dog again. There he is by my feet, yeah, what was I on about? Yeah, oak beauty. It's a beauty, it's a beautiful moth. You can say something else, can't remember what it was now. Yeah, this weird sort of patriotism now. They're sort of like, I don't know, I think. I know that there's probably a problem
Welcome.
with the boats,